Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back again. It's Benji Williams here. So my rubber band ball, at this point in time, it's February 2nd, 2025. Today something interesting happened. Well, sort of interesting. The rubber band ball has currently reached 2,830 pounds right now. And my mom drives a Honda Civic 2013 car. And I looked up the weight of it, and apparently it's at 2,815 pounds. So today, or tonight actually, because it's nighttime right now, the rubber band ball actually has surpassed the weight of my car, my mom's car. So yeah, if you guys wonder actually how hard is it to move this, it does take quite a bit of effort, but still rolls perfectly. This is the size of some of the pits, by the way, in case you wanted to know. Here's a high spot there. Here's a void right there. Size of the pits there. Also, I'm going to demonstrate to you all how I actually place the rubber bands on now, because the rubber band ball is currently nearly 5 feet tall now. I measured it a few days ago. It's pretty much 5 foot now. So I'm going to show you how I place the rubber band, and on top of that, I'm going to show you guys my last resort technique, because I think if getting any slightly bigger than this, and I'm probably going to have to find a new method to place the rubber bands on, and I don't have anyone to help me, so, and it's okay though, it doesn't matter, but I have one more technique that should last me up to world record. So let me show you all that real quick. So here I am. Okay, so here we go. So get the rubber band. And so now the ball's diameter is now getting really massive now. So it's kind of impossible to reach, because my arms cannot go around this, as you can see. Nope, can't go around. I'm actually relying on the rubber band to get stuck on the surface of the ball as I'm placing it on the back side. It gets stuck, so that way I pull it over, it stays. Stretching it out helps make that process easier. Then I have to go around, and that's how I place it on. Then I have to straighten it out. It takes so much force to accelerate, slow down, and stop. Gravity wants to constantly pull towards the garage door. It's hard now. All right. Now with this rubber band straightened out, I'm going to show you the last resort technique. So, what am I going to do when the rubber band ball is like almost as tall as me? How will I put a rubber band on? Well, let me show you. So, what we're going to do, you get the rubber band, and what we're going to do actually here is we're going to place the rubber band underneath the ball and have the rubber band get caught under it. Like so. So Now the rubber band is stuck. It's being held by the weight of the ball. So now I can just pull it, stretch it over. Oh, that failed that time. Oh. I've done this before. This is really hard though, because it's slippery. I didn't do a good enough job of placing it, because it needs to be placed big time. Gotta stretch the rubber band over. And it is possible to stretch the rubber band over and get it on. That's the method I'll have to be doing once the ball gets to like 3,200 pounds and beyond and stuff like that. So hope you enjoy that. We're at 2,830 pounds. Just 7 days left, 6 days left or so. It'll be 3,000. So I'll do a live stream for that. So be sure to put on notifications for that. 7 days, and then I'll do a live stream. It'll be 3,000. So prepare yourselves. All right, take care. I'm out.